Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your Yahoo email password if you forget. So first of all, open Yahoo. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. Look at the right side, tap onto setting icon, click on more settings, follow the left side, not showing here to this option. So click on to new tab, go to your Google account, click on manage your Google account, click on to security option, scroll down, manage password, select the Yahoo option and first enter your password, verify you. Okay, now shown here to your Yahoo username and password. Just tap onto eye icon, then shown here your password. So that's how you can easily see your Yahoo email password if you forget.